Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Zeeshan Hurmaz and back with another hot crypto project. Today I just want to talk about PIXIE. What is PIXIE and how can we earn money from this one app? So first of all, I just want to create separate parts about this one project, and the first part I just want to show you how can you download this one app, and as well as how can you create account on this one app. After that I just want to give you some detail about this one project, and the second video, how can you earn money from this one app just by uploading your images, videos and NFTs. So basically, if you look to this one app, you can see that over here, first of all, you simply search on your Play Store. If you search on your Play Store, after that you simply install it. If you install it, so simply you click on the open button. See, if you click on that, after that you can see this is a social crypto earning app, and if you want to earn from this one app, this is too much pretty good for you, because you know about this one app has are completely free. So basically, first of all, you simply click on sign up button, and I am placed one link in the description box. First of all, you simply click on this app, because you will be get almost 20% commission completely for free. So after that, you simply click on sign up button, but I just want to click on the Google. I just want to click on I have read and agreed to privacy policy and term and services. So after I just want to click on the Google button. So if you click on that, you can also sign up this one project from, as well as from easy from your Facebook account. So you can see my app are registered, and if you don't register from here, they just want to ask for picture, and as well as they just also want to ask for name, and as well as they just also want to ask for gender. So you simply place this one detail. So this is how can you create account on this one app. And after that, I just want to give you some important tell about that, what is how can we earn money from this one app. So I will be uploaded second video, because I just want to upload about this one app separate videos with detail, because there's too much confusion with one video. That's why I didn't join the all videos in one video. So you, if you want to how can we earn money from this one apps, you must be watch the second video I just want to place in the description box. You simply click on the part 2.